You actually saved it.
I said I would.
People say a lot of things.
Not most people.
No, I'm starting to think you're not.
What's this?
I drew something last night, after I got home.
Is this a black hole with a bird flying near it?
The bird is close enough to feel time slowing down, but it doesn't go in.
That's incredible, Sarah. Seriously.
You gave me the idea yesterday, so it's kind of yours too.
Can I keep it?
I made a copy. That one's for you. Can I ask you something personal?
Sure.
Why do you always sit alone? You're in my class. I see you. You never talk to anyone.
I talk. I just wait for conversations worth having.
And yesterday? Was that worth having?
It was the best conversation I've had in months.
Months? That's a little sad.
Or it means yesterday was really special. Depends how you look at it.
Beautiful and terrifying.
Exactly.
What if we wrote something together?
Like a story?
You bring the science, I bring the pictures and the words.
That sounds like the best idea I've heard all year. Better than black holes? Well, let's not get crazy.
Ha! Okay. Same time tomorrow?
Same seat, same light,
Same you?
always.